What is ecosystem? A community of living organisms interacting with each other and with the non-living environment. Colonization. The process whereby living organisms move into this newly formed area which is completely devoid of life. Succession. The gradual process where one community changes its environment so it is replaced by another community. Colonization and succession in mangrove swamps. Soft muddy soil and strong coastal wind. Exposed to higher intensity of sunlight. High concentration of salt. Very low levels of oxygen. Zonation of mangrove swamps. The colonization and succession occur. The condition becomes more suitable for the successors which are the dominant species at that time. Pioneer stage. When pioneer plants die and decompose, the organic matter settle to the bottom of the pond and make the pond shallower. This produced suitable conditions for aquatic floating plants. Succession by aquatic floating plants. Floating plants cover the surface of the pond and prevent light from entering the pond. Pioneer plants cannot perform photosynthesis and die. These dead plants will sink to the bottom and increase the organic matter layer of the bottom. Succession by amphibious plants. Dead aquatic floating plants and eroded soil from the pond banks will raise the pond floor and make the pond too shallow for aquatic plants to float. The aquatic plants are succeeded by amphibious plants. Succession by herbaceous plants. The continued deposition of organic matter enables grass to gradually replace amphibious plants. Succession by woody plants. The death of amphibious plants caused continued deposition of organic matter and evaporation of pond water will make the pond very shallow and eventually dry it up. Finally, land plants and other woody plants will replace the amphibious plants and form a jungle. Climax community. The succession will stop when a level of balance is achieved.
Created using Powtoon.